Let me show you how to get a free UniConverter license. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dom from Wondershare UniConverter, and in this video I'll show you how to get a free UniConverter license just by inviting your friends to create a new Wondershare account. Sounds good enough? Keep watching. Get your friends to create a new Wondershare account and both of you will get a 7-day free trial membership. And then the more friends you invite, the more days you'll get. Easy enough? So if you begin your trial on September 1st at 10 AM, your trial will last until September 7th, 10 AM. People from all over the world are eligible to partake in this campaign who have reached the legal age in their jurisdiction. Alright, here is how to get the free license step by step. To reach the campaign page, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and click on this little animation here, but the link will be in the description as well for your convenience. First, log into your Wondershare account, or if you don't have one yet, just create a new one. But you can also continue with one of your social media accounts. Click share now to create your referral link, which you can send to your friends, post on social media, on your personal blog, and so on. But you can just enter your friends' email addresses as well, and they'll get a separate invitation. It's recommended that your friends click the accept invitation button and create the account that way. Once they have their account, you and your friends will get a 7-day membership for free. And if you don't want to run out of free days, just keep inviting your friends. On this page, you can keep track of your free membership. You can see how many friends you have invited and how many free days you have left. So go on, tell your friends about this great opportunity and start using the Wondershare UniConverter today. What is the Wondershare UniConverter, you might ask? It's an all-in-one video converter toolbox. It can convert videos to more than 1,000 video and audio formats and with the option of batch converting. It also integrates video editing, screen recording, DVD burning, and more useful video tools to meet your various video needs. Just download it and try it out, and remember to invite your friends to get a free license together. If you want to know more about the UniConverter, you can check out this playlist. We have many more videos to show you on how to use the UniConverter to convert, edit, record your videos, and so on. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on various video related issues. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'm going to see you in the next video.